Sorry guys,
I didn't
guys, she did my go camera right now.
because I don't.
So, wait.
Hello guys, kami to YouTube channel. Yo is
Hi guys. So guys, what can we do right now, guys? I don't know. My parents is there, but my dad.
because my mom and my I don't know.
Messi or Ronaldo. Messi or Ronaldo, guys. Say in the comment. I'm a Ronaldo fan. I'm a Real Madrid fan. I'm a Portugal
What
fan
is
also.
I? What is
I am Kylian Mbappe fan and Neymar fan. So that's my three favorite players.
Guys, I need to subscribe.
Boom. Subscribe for me there, bruh. Guys. So what can we do right now? I don't know what to do. What do you think that can we do?